When you want to stop a bad habit, it's not so much that you're going to stop that habit as it is that you're going to replace it with a better habit. You want to think of your behavior as neural connections, and habits that you've had for a while are like thick wires and they run on their own. What people typically do with bad habits, they consciously try and stop them. And that's a losing game. The habit runs automatically and you have to have energy and focus in order to stop it. So it doesn't work long term. The real secret to creating a long-term change is to replace that bad habit that runs automatically with a good habit that runs automatically. To understand the good habit, the first time you do it, there's usually no connection. So you have to do it a few times and then you start to create a little bit of a connection. And the more and more you do it, the thicker that connection becomes until eventually it becomes a thick cable, just like the bad habit. And now it runs on autopilot. So what you want to do is you want to consciously be aware of that process, cultivate it and develop that thick wire of new behavior. Because eventually after doing this for a relatively short period of time, you have now instituted a subconscious habit that runs on autopilot. And that's the real secret to creating long-term change.